Okay, student, starting with exercise 2.5, quadratic equations. Okay, continue. See, first is just simple. Alpha plus beta means sum of the root. Alpha beta is product of the root. Okay, you know ABC, how to find ABC? So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, alpha beta is c upon a. Just fill in the blank, take sum. Okay, see, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now if b square minus 4ac, this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. Now discriminant is 5. 5 means nature of the root is real, greater than 0. If discriminant is negative, minus 5, roots are not real. Nature of the root not real. Okay, you must not make mistake. Okay, if discriminant greater than 0, roots are real. Discriminant less than 0, roots are not real. If discriminant is a perfect square, roots are rational. It is not a perfect square, roots are irrational and conjugates of each other. Okay. Now given sum of the root, that is alpha plus beta is minus 7. Product of the root, that is alpha beta equal to 5. Fill in the blank, fill in the blank. So quadratic equation, make quadratic equation x square minus sum of the root x plus product of the root equal to 0. Sum of the root is minus 7, product of the root is 5. X square minus, this is minus 7, x plus 5. Minus 7 is plus 7. X square plus 7x plus 5 equal to 0 is the answer. Understood? Okay. Next, sum 2x square minus 4x minus 3 equal to 0. First you have to find ABC first. A equal to 2, B equal to minus 4, C equal to minus 3. I hope you know that. So alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Learn this formula. So that is minus of minus 4. That is plus 4 upon 2. 2. Alpha beta is c upon a minus 3 upon 2. Alpha plus beta is minus of minus 4 upon 2, that is 2. Alpha beta is c upon a, that is minus 3 upon 2. Answer. First question over. Understood? Understanding quadratic equation, very important chapter. Getting? Should I go ahead? Second sum. Find the value of discriminant. Just small sign for that. Or you write discriminant full. Okay. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. ABC you know. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. First equation, x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Right below standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Simple. A equal to 1, b equal to 7, c equal to minus 1. Okay. So b square minus 4ac. 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1. Okay. 4 into 1 into minus 1 is plus 4. 49 plus 4, 53 is greater than 0. 53 is the value of discriminant. Actually, nature is not asked, but I am telling you extra. If greater than 0, roots are real, unequal and irrational basically. 2y square minus 5y plus 10 equal to 0. A equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 10. B square minus 4ac minus 5 square minus 4 into 2 into 10. 25 minus 80 minus 55. Negative. Discriminant is negative. B square minus 4ac is negative. Roots are not real. Finish. Answer. Sum stops there. Okay. Next. Root sign. Root 2 x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0. A is root 2, b equal to 4, c equal to 2 root 2. B square, so 4 square, 16, minus 4 into root 2 into 2 root 2, root 2 into root 2, 2, 2 to the 4, 4 the 16, 16 minus 16, 0. If discriminant equal to 0, b square minus 4 is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. So this I am giving you homework. Question 3. Okay, the same sum. You understand? Find out okay. ABC. Fourth, form quadratic equation from roots. In this sum, roots are given. Okay, you know how to solve. You have solved quadratic equation. Find the roots. Now ulta, roots are given, you have to find the equation. See, roots are given 0 and 4, first sum. So one is alpha and one is beta. Okay, alpha is 0, let beta equal to 4. Now you have to find sum of the root and product of the root. So sum of the root is alpha plus beta. 4 plus 0 is 4. Product of the root is alpha beta, that is 0 into 4 is 0. Equation how we write? X square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Just put the values. X square minus 4x plus 0 equal to 0. No need to write. X square minus 4x equal to 0 is the answer. Understood? Understanding? Any doubt, you write me. I will again discuss very slowly. You should understand. Yeah, vast portion, lot of practice, we have to go ahead. Okay? But I need your efforts also. करा, प्रयत्न करा, घरी बसून जरा काम करा. Okay, next sum. 3 and minus 10. So first is alpha 3, beta minus 10. Okay. So alpha plus beta 3 minus 10, that is minus 7. Okay. Alpha beta 3 into minus 10, that is minus 30. Okay. So x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square minus of minus 7x plus minus 30 equal to 0. Minus minus plus x square plus 7x minus 30 equal to 0. Answer. Understood? From root we form the equation. If this sum is given, this will be the answer. Root, solution set. Understanding? Okay. Next, half and minus half. This is alpha, this is beta. Alpha is half, beta is minus half. Means alpha plus beta directly 0. Half minus half 0. Okay. Alpha beta is half into minus half. Into is not 0. 1 into minus 1 minus 1. 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 1 upon 4. So x square minus alpha plus beta x, that is 0x, plus alpha beta, that is 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4 equal to 0. This 0 multiply by 4, 4x square minus 1 equal to 0 is the answer. Understood? Should we go ahead? Directly, first root, irrational roots. Irrational roots are always conjugates of each other. Don't forget this. Alpha is 2 minus root 5. Beta is 2 plus root 5. So even if only one root is given, you can find the other root because it must be conjugate. A plus B conjugate is A minus B, right? So 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5 conjugate. You are done in standard 9. Okay? So alpha plus beta 2 minus root 5 plus 2 plus root 5 minus root 5 cut, 2 plus 2 is 4. Alpha beta 2 minus root 5, 2 plus root 5. Identity A minus B, A plus B. A square minus B square. 2 square minus root 5 square. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. Answer directly, x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. Understood? Simple is very easy part. Okay? We'll go ahead. Any doubt? Use comment box, write. We can discuss on live lectures. Okay? Many viewers I want. Then I can go for live lectures. Okay? We'll go ahead. Okay. Okay. Sum number 5. Very simple. The condition is given. One quadratic equation is given. Sum of root is double the product of root. Sum of root is double the product of root. Find k. In this k is missing. Equation given as x square minus 4kx plus k plus 3 equal to 0. We will compare. X square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1. B is x coefficient, that is minus 4k. Getting? That's why such sums are for more marks. And c is all the constant without x. Non-x term is your c, k plus 3. Okay? Condition, sum of root. is equal to double product alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is double alpha beta. Alpha plus beta formula you know is minus b upon a is equal to 2 into alpha beta is c upon a. Now a common denominator cut. Minus b equal to 2c. B is minus 4k, so minus b is 4k. 2c is k plus 3, that is 2k plus 6. So 4k equal to 2k plus 6, 2k shifting this side, minus 2k. 4k minus 2k is 2k equal to 6. K equal to 2 going down 3. Simple equation this is, you get the answer. And marks also, if you do correct in exam. समजलं तर पेपरात बरोबर करा. ओके, अंडरस्टूड, समझ गए सम, एग्जाम में बराबर करना. फाइन के. ओके, नाउ फॉर 6 sum. Any doubt? Write in the comment box. Use 6 sum. You remember chapter you have done in 8th standard. Identities. One identity, alpha plus beta square is alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. In AB you used, getting, and a cube plus b cube. A plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay, we are using those identities. Ata root given alpha beta are the roots of y square minus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. Write standard equation. Ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. A equal to 1, b equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 7. You got ABC. Okay. Now, so alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, minus b, b is minus 2, so minus b is 2, upon a is the 1. Okay. Alpha beta is c upon a, that is minus 7 upon 1, that is minus 7. Got it? Okay. Now a square plus b square is a plus b square minus 2ab. It is actually a plus b square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. I am just shifting this side, making minus 2ab. So a square plus b square is a plus b square minus 2ab. Identity I am using. So alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta square minus 2 alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is 2. Alpha beta is minus 7. So 2 square minus 2 into minus 7. 2 square is 4, minus minus plus 7 to the 14. 4 plus 14 is 18 is the answer. Understood? Second, cubical identity. A cube plus b cube. Actually a plus b cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. This I am using in terms of alpha beta. So alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta bracket cube minus 3 alpha beta in bracket alpha plus beta. You write in terms of a and b. Again recollect from standard 8. You have done it. Okay, write all the identities. Expansion chapter. Okay, very simple it is. Putting values. So you want just alpha cube plus beta cube value. Alpha plus beta cube is alpha plus beta is 2. 2 cube minus 3 into alpha beta is minus 7. Alpha plus beta is 2. 2 cube is 8. 3 minus minus plus 3 7s are 20 and 2s are 42. 8 plus 42 is 50 is the answer. Understood? Any doubt? Write in the comment box. Try different sums. Problem set is there, different sums are there. Okay, should I go ahead? Next sum and the last sum of this exercise. Okay. Last sum of exercise 2.5. Given the roots of quadratic equations are real and equal. Real and equal, find k. Okay. Roots are real and equal, then b square minus 4ac equal to 0. It is a perfect square. Okay. Then only b square minus 4ac is a 0. So given equation 3y square plus ky plus 12 equal to 0. Write standard ay square plus by plus c equal to 0. What is a, what is b, what is c? A is 3, b is k, c is 12. Okay. So roots are real and equal, given hai. B square minus 4ac is 0. So k square minus 4 into 3 into 12. So k square minus 144 equal to 0. K square equal to 144. Taking square root always plus minus. K equal to plus minus 12. Understanding? Easy? We'll go ahead with next sum. Kx in bracket x minus 2 plus 6 equal to 0. First we have to open it. Kx into x, kx square minus kx into 2, 2kx plus 6. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A equal to k. B equal to minus 2k, x coefficient. And c is 6. Roots are real and equal, so b square minus 4 is equal to 0. B is minus 2k square. Minus 4 into a into c. 4k into 6. Minus 2k square is 4k square. Square always positive. Minus 4 6 are 24k equal to 0. 4k square you will divide by 4. So k square minus 6k equal to 0. K we will take common. K in bracket k minus 6 equal to 0. So k equal to 0 or k minus 6 equal to 0. But k equal to 0 is invalid. Answer k equal to 6. Why k equal to 0 invalid? Because then it is no more quadratic equation. If k is 0, 0 into x 0, everything 0, mark also 0. Understanding? Very simple chapter. Okay. In my next video we will go ahead with 2.6 word problem. Yeah, lengthy but slowly we will complete it. And problem set later on for practice. I am going to do it. Okay, so if you like, give like, write some comment, share to your friends, subscribe, press bell icon. Getting? So you will get new notification. You have to practice lot throughout the year. I am with you. Okay, you need to practice hard. Please do it for me. I will do it for you. Give you more and more practice free of cost. Okay, exchange, barter system. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.